Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a leaked mythical epic coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so a new mythical epic, it's just been added to the game. You cannot yet see what it looks like in battle, but let's go ahead and look at it. Here it is right here, and if you saw, it wasn't on the screen while I was walking around, so you cannot yet battle with it. But its name is Hydroid, and it says Hydroid is a robot that takes care of the ocean and all its creatures. It has powerful propellers to swim around quickly underwater during its cleanup and rescue adventures. So this is probably not a Big Hex, not Blast Star. It's not a Blast Star hybrid, I'm pretty sure. But we also have the pet, so let's go ahead and look at that. You also can't see it here. So we'll go to pet book, last page. Here it is. So we already read all of this. Stats. So it's pretty weak. It has about, I'm pretty sure, 1,628 hearts. It's water elements. So did I get that right? 1,628 hearts. And we also do get a full body of it. So let's go ahead and look at that. So here's the full body of it. This was in the game for like a few minutes and then it got deleted. This was found by Pebble Lemon. And here it is. It looks pretty cool. I have no idea how this works. But, so here it is. It's kind of small, but it definitely does look very, very cool. So yeah. I cannot get any closer, but I definitely do like how this looks. It has like a drill right here. Some like mud on the bottom. It has, so yeah, I think this is very, very cool. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to let me know what you guys think of this in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.